Hey! We got another tutorial for you. Today, we are going to learn how to connect your Delhivery account with Return Prime to auto-generate return pickup requests without going anywhere, so let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is click on the Settings tab on your Return Prime dashboard. Next, click on the Logistics option. Here, you will see a big list of all logistic partners available to connect. Find Delhivery from the list and then click on the blue Activate button. Fill in all the required information. These details are provided to you by your Delhivery account manager, so if you don't have one, just reach out to them. Once done, just click on Save and Activate. Now when your customer will raise a request, you can approve it using the Delhivery option available under Logistics Partner, and a tracking number will be generated instantly. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any kind of questions, issues during the process, feel free to drop an email to us at help@returnprime.com or make use of the live chat option available on your Return Prime dashboard, and we promise to ensure everything is up and running for you instantly.